Okay, forget the slow cooker. I cooked this pulled pork from scratch in the microwave in half the amount of time. I know what you're thinking, no freaking way. But after making it, I was just as surprised as you are. When I was developing this recipe, I thought there was no way it was going to work. But I thought, challenge accepted. It turns out that lowering the microwave's power level is the secret to creating the perfect, gentle, and consistent heat needed to develop the right texture. The meat was juicy, tender, very, very flavorful, and it took half of the amount of time it usually takes me on the slow cooker. If you don't believe me, go ahead and make it and tell me if you didn't drop your fork and say, "This is effing good," just as I did.